Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I am going to go over Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market. I'll go over a few things too. Time to pay attention. Bitcoin, guys. Like I said, I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready for the Bitcoin long trade. I'm still in a short trade because this area may go sideways for a little bit longer, and it's eventually going to drop down. So I'll show you where the area I start paying attention to on a reversal. I just come down here. And you see this, boom. You see that, boom. And you see these, boom, boom. Once they get down there, this price could be here, maybe down to 28.4, 28.3, as low as 28 flat. And that would probably be some sort of area around there with wicks down to high 27s on Bitcoin, okay? So that's what I'd be looking for on Bitcoin. So weekly chart. Still looking pretty good. Hasn't changed. Should update tonight. So see a change. 36 on the next trend. 31,000 is the target. It's going to have resistance at 32. And if it breaks through there to 32.6 and 33, I would say there's going to be a pretty good shot to 34, 35, or 36,000. And that is the trade that I'm going to do. So preferable, that's what I would like to do, and I'm going to do it, and not in altcoins. Not me, not for the time being, guys, okay? So I'm not too enthused with most of these altcoins. So what I'm going to do for you today is, let's go over total market cap. Crypto market cap to total market cap. It has fib targets at 1.35 trillion and 1.51, and as high as 1.6 trillion. So there could be a little bit of run on this one. Boom, 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 boom. As high as 41%. But Bitcoin is going to take that one for a ride because that's, Bitcoin is on that one, guys. So Bitcoin's right here, back up into that area. This is pretty, for the time being, going into October, January, possibly time frame for total crypto market cap, which is all the coins, including Bitcoin. So it's everything. So Bitcoin is going, see how Bitcoin has a thrust up possibly all the way out to February of 2024. And this one looks like it's probably going to slow up October. Let me see, October, November. Okay. This one's going to slow up October, November. That's because all the other cryptos that are in there, there's a bunch of bearish cryptos. They're going to start bringing this down, okay? Here is total 2, looking much weaker. Take out Bitcoin, and you get a little bit different picture. It looks like you might have a thrust up to 668 billion or 724 billion, right into this area right here, guys, okay? This is a concerning picture on total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin. Over here, this is a very concerning little move that did. Boom, 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 here, and then here. Is it going to try to finish something off like so and make a nice little connector ABC move? I think so, guys. I think there's a good shot. That's probably what's going on right here, guys, okay? I'm going to go to others. This is all the coins, excluding, I think, the top 20 coins in the crypto market cap that are on like CoinGecko or crypto market cap. And this one right here is going to thrust up to 1.24 billion and 1.36 billion, possibly 1.4 billion, or excuse me, 140 billion. Thrust into October. You might see more of a thrust into January. This is a little bit more bullish than total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin, or total 2. This one is. There are higher fib targets. There could be a thrust up to 1.57 B, potentially. I wouldn't count on that one, though, guys. I mean, there's a potential for a 44% move in others, so there could be some cryptos that are going to be pretty bullish. Looks like there's cryptos that are more bullish, okay? This is a concerning picture 2. This is a concerning picture 2, guys. This is called Crypto Reality Show, because right here, it looks like you're going to be getting your ABC move, connector wave right there, guys. Okay. If you want to go with, if you're a mega moon boy, then this needs to be 1, 2, and this is going off into 3. And you should be seeing moves. You should be seeing moves. Okay. Just to give you a general idea, at least up to 1.72 billion. Okay. Let me take that off of, no, it's on a weekly. I can't do that. 1.7 billion. Just say 1.7 billion. You should see moves up into there. Okay. By October or November, if you want to be Moon Boy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that, guys. Okay. Algos are not suggesting it's going to do that. So I'm going off the algorithms, not people, not me, guys, not me. I'm going off the algorithms, not people. So this is a total crypto market cap. It didn't populate on a weekly, but you can see it's generally speaking, it's the same pattern more or less, guys. Okay. It's the same pattern. Like I said, if you're going to be hyper bullish on, Super Moon Boy on these assets right here, or, these are the target areas you need to start looking for. It needs to be hitting 454 billion, just say round it 455 billion, and then as high as 485 billion. And then in this area, you have a case for a 1, 2, 3, and then a correction, and then back up and see another wave right there, guys. But in the meantime, like I said, this is very, very concerning. You have A, B, and then maybe going up for a C. Nice little connector wave. You know what looks like that? What looks like that, guys? Remember previous videos I did on that? What looks like that? Solana, AVAX, similar patterns. See the patterns come together for some of these assets, guys? I'm not bullish on Solana until once it peaks out, 30 plus possibly, and AVAX. I'm not bullish on those guys. So I don't mean to ruin the mindset of the Moon Boys on the AVAX and the Solana, but I am more concerned with my bank account, my funds, than I am about, my personal finances here, doing investments into cryptocurrency, than I am posting videos to get views. As you could tell, I don't get any views. So, all right, guys. So that's what the whole picture is, and looking like that. Out of all of them, others is fairly bullish going into the end of the year, and total crypto market cap is fairly bullish going into the end of the year. And for my assessment on a weekly chart, Bitcoin is the most bullish going into the beginning of 2024, more so than some other assets. Now, excluding Telegram bots, guys, I'm not counting Telegram bots or some niche market right there, like Unibots and Telegram bots or whatever's going to be next. Okay, there's going to be some outliers out there that will do mega moonshots like Unibot. Okay, guys. So I want to go over that. Back to the short-term time frame on Bitcoin. Okay, the targets I'm looking for, this black dotted line, trend line, that's a 50% move. I do that. Like I said, I'm in a short trade that I entered in up here at 29,400. I'm looking for a move. I'm going to exit out at 28,800. I'm going to exit out early. Might actually exit out earlier than that, because this is, in my opinion, a counter trend move. It is a riskier move, if you will. So, because you always have the risk it could it could just start taking off out of there. I don't think that it is, guys. My daily algos are still pointing down. The 10-hour algos are pointing down. The 8-hour algos are pointing down. So the medium-term time frame, even the 2-day chart, the 2-day, the 1 day. So like medium-term charts, you have a 2-day, 1 day, and a lower than that going into like 8 hours. Okay, but then if I go to a lower time frame, say like maybe a 2 hour or 1 hour, it's bullish. You say, oh yeah, it's taking off. So you have to be careful of that, because the algo is going to be adjusting to the time. It only goes back so far. And the higher the time, the farther back it can go. So it's including all this on a daily, or back here, and then on a weekly, it includes the whole chart, probably from at least November of 22 as an example. But So this area, and then down here, I would say sometime in the beginning of August, first week of August, possibly somewhere around there. And then you get ready for a run. And then there will be coins that have good setups. And I've showed you some of those coins that have good setups that will be able to do a bullish run. Okay. A couple of them I made mention yesterday. Looks like Chili's could be one of them. It's going to be a meager run. You might get 50, 60, 70, 80% on Chili's, guys. Okay. So be careful. Use some stops. Okay. Have your exit, have a point where you have to get out. Okay. Don't ride these coins down to the bottom, guys. Okay. Because some of these coins are going to go up and they're going to roll over and break new lows. Okay. That is the projection for a lot of these coins, and to roll over to go find new lows, guys. And that could be a pretty significant drop, 20 or 30%, maybe even more. Now, Kaspa coin, that's a whole different animal. That's bullish. That's up and to the right. It's just in a correction. Okay. I like Kaspa coin because it's bullish. It has a very, very nice chart, but it's at the top, guys. I told you that let's go back to the coins I said to sell. Okay. Up here in the pink, 54 cents. And you see that move right there on Nakamoto Games, guys. It's pretty clear what's going on right there. Okay. That's pretty clear. That's probably a connector wave of some sort to continue this trend down. But up here, 54 cents and 53 cents. And you get out, boom, and it's down, it's only down 21%, but it looks like it's going to be going down 40%, maybe a little bit more than that until it turns around again, guys. So I'm going to let Nakamoto Games do what it needs to do. And when Bitcoin, I'll put my stuff over here on Bitcoin and ride that up. Okay. So, and make a little bit of gains in some shorts in the meantime with Nakamoto Games, guys. Kaspa coin is basically the same thing, bullish wave. Go over here to Kaspa, check this out. And let me go to I think 10-hour chart. 10-hour chart. Yeah. So Kaspa coin, let's see here. Yeah, I think this is 1, 2. This whole thing over here too, you got to be careful. This could have been a wave 1 back down for a 2. Because this wave is a little bit bigger, and this could be a 1, 2. So over here in this section, looks like September, maybe out to late September or something like that. Kaspa will be ready for another run over there, guys, and then ultimately the target will be up there. So this right here will be a really decent run. That's 200% on Kaspa, guys. So the returns, obviously, as it goes up, the returns are going to diminish, because if you got in down here, right? This is when this was our entry. So ultimately, that'll be a 16x on a cryptocurrency asset right now. So, which is pretty darn good, guys. 90% of your market participants in traditional financial markets lose money, guys. Did you know that? 90% of people that go into traditional financial markets lose money, and that's in the traditional financial markets, guys. What do you think the number is for crypto? 91, 92, 93? It's probably above the 90%, guys. So be careful out there in the cryptocurrency market. Don't take anybody's word for it, including mine, that an asset may be going up or be going down. Okay. Do your own research into that. Get a second opinion on somebody that you trust on that asset, on somebody that you trust. Don't go to CT Crypto Twitter or YouTube. Get somebody that you trust to get a decent second opinion on your assets, okay? You need to find that person. It's just like going to a doctor. Think about this, guys. If you went to the doctor or the dentist tomorrow and the dentist said, you need all your teeth pulled out, are you going to just do it because he's some sort of authority in a white jacket? Or are you going to go, wait a second, dude, I'm going to get a second opinion before you pull my tooth out? You get a second opinion. Okay. And then same thing with a doctor, right? Doctor said, hey, man, you got a problem, man. You have cancer in your right ankle. We need to chop it off. And you'd be like, wait a second. I'm not going to do that, man. I ain't chopping off my ankle. Let me go get a second opinion. Okay. Just make sure you get you a good second opinion. That's the key, guys. The key is finding that person in these markets that you can trust. If you made it all the way to the end, do me a huge favor, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.